Did you know your pothos could grow twice as fast with just a few simple changes? Most people think pothos is low maintenance, so they just leave it alone, and that's exactly why it grows slowly, leggy, and weak. But here's the truth. If you give this plant the right conditions, it can explode with growth. Long, trailing vines, massive, glossy leaves, and that lush jungle vibe everyone wants. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 8 powerful tips that will supercharge your pothos growth, from lighting secrets to propagation hacks most people don't know. Stick around because tip number 8 is a total game changer, and it can instantly transform your plant from thin and slow to full and thriving. 1. Bright, indirect light equals explosive growth. If your pothos is growing slowly, the first thing you need to fix is light. This plant is famous for surviving in low light, but surviving is not the same as thriving. When placed in dim corners, pothos will stretch toward light, producing long vines with small, spaced-out leaves. That's slow, weak growth. But when you move it into bright, indirect light, everything changes. Bright light fuels photosynthesis, which is how your plant creates energy. More energy means faster growth, stronger stems, and larger, more vibrant leaves. You'll notice your pothos becoming fuller and more compact instead of leggy. The best spot? Near a window with filtered light, like behind sheer curtains or a few feet away from a bright window. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, especially in hot climates, because it can scorch the leaves. If natural light is limited, you can also use a grow light. Even a simple LED grow light can dramatically speed up growth. Here's a quick tip. Rotate your plant every week so all sides get equal light. This helps it grow evenly and prevents leaning. Once you fix the lighting, you'll already notice a huge difference. Your pothos will start pushing out new leaves faster, and they'll be bigger, healthier, and more beautiful. 2. Water smart, not more. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking more water equals faster growth. In reality, overwatering is one of the fastest ways to slow your plant down. Pothos prefers a simple rhythm. Let the top 1 to 2 inches of soil dry out before watering again. This creates a healthy balance where roots get both moisture and oxygen. When the soil stays constantly wet, roots can't breathe. This leads to root rot, a silent killer that stops growth completely. On the other hand, letting the soil dry slightly encourages roots to grow stronger and search for water, which actually boosts overall plant health. A great trick is to stick your finger into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels moist, wait for a few more days. When you do water, water deeply. Let it drain completely from the bottom of the pot. This ensures the entire root system gets hydrated without sitting in stagnant water. Also, make sure your pot has drainage holes. Without them, excess water gets trapped, which slows growth and damages roots. Healthy watering habits create strong roots, and strong roots mean faster, fuller growth above the soil. 3. Use the right soil for faster roots. If you want your pothos to grow faster, you need to focus on what's happening below the surface, the roots. Heavy, compact soil can suffocate roots, slowing down growth dramatically. That's why pothos thrives in light, well-draining soil that allows air to flow freely. The ideal mix is a combination of regular potting soil with materials like perlite, coco coir, or orchid bark. These ingredients create air pockets, helping roots expand quickly and efficiently. Think of it like this. Roots need oxygen just as much as they need water. When they have both, they grow faster, and when roots grow faster, the entire plant follows. Another benefit of well-draining soil is that it prevents water from sitting too long, reducing the risk of root rot. This keeps your plant in a constant state of healthy growth instead of stress. If your pothos hasn't been repotted in a long time, the soil may be compacted and depleted of nutrients. Refreshing the soil can instantly boost growth. You don't need anything fancy, just make sure the mix feels loose and airy when you touch it. Healthy soil equals healthy roots equals faster vines and bigger leaves. 4. Feed your plant for rapid growth. If you want your pothos to grow fast, you can't rely on water and light alone. You need to feed it. Plants use nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to grow leaves, roots, and stems. Without these nutrients, growth becomes slow and weak. During the growing season, spring and summer, use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. This gives your plant the energy it needs to produce new leaves quickly. You'll start noticing deeper green colors, faster vine extension, and larger leaves. It's like giving your plant a boost of fuel. But be careful, more is not better. Over-fertilizing can burn the roots and damage your plant. Always follow the recommended dosage, or even dilute it slightly. In fall and winter, reduce feeding since the plant naturally slows down. Another tip, water your plant before fertilizing. This helps prevent root burn and allows nutrients to absorb more effectively. Feeding your pothos regularly turns it from a slow grower into a fast-growing, lush indoor jungle plant. 5. Prune to grow more. It might sound strange, but cutting your plant actually helps it grow faster. When you prune your pothos, you're encouraging it to branch out instead of growing in one long vine. This results in a fuller, bushier plant with more growth points. Every time you cut a vine just above a node, the plant redirects its energy into producing new shoots. Instead of one vine growing slowly, you get multiple vines growing at once. Pruning also removes weak and leggy growth, allowing the plant to focus on healthier parts. Don't be afraid to trim. Pothos is very resilient and responds quickly to pruning. And here's a bonus, you can use those cuttings to propagate new plants, which we'll talk about later. Regular pruning transforms your pothos from thin and sparse into thick and lush. 6. Repot when growth slows. If your pothos suddenly stops growing, the problem might be the pot. When roots run out of space, they become root-bound, circling around the pot with nowhere to expand. This restricts nutrient and water absorption, slowing growth. If you notice roots coming out of drainage holes or tightly packed soil, it's time to repot. Move your plant into a pot that's 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter. This gives roots room to grow without overwhelming them. Fresh soil also adds new nutrients, giving your plant a fresh start. After repotting, you'll often see a surge in growth within weeks. 7. Warmth and humidity boost growth. Pothos loves a tropical environment. Warm temperatures and humidity help it grow faster and produce larger leaves. Keep your plant in a space between 18 to 30 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts or sudden temperature drops, which can slow growth. Humidity is another secret weapon. In dry air, growth becomes slower and leaves may stay small. You can increase humidity by misting, using a humidifier, or placing the plant near a bathroom or kitchen. The more comfortable your plant feels, the faster it grows. 8. Propagate to multiply growth. Here's the ultimate trick most people don't use, propagation. Cut a healthy vine below a node and place it in water. Within weeks, roots will start forming. Once the roots are a few inches long, plant them back into the same pot. This instantly makes your pothos look fuller and increases overall growth because you now have multiple plants growing together. More vines, more leaves equals faster, denser growth. This is the secret behind those super full Instagram-style pothos. Now you know the 8 secrets to growing pothos faster. If you apply even a few of these tips, your plant will transform from slow and leggy to full, lush, and thriving. So, which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you love plant tips like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your home into a green paradise.